Good morning, everyone. I have been giving the choice of area and implementing my strategy for multiplying with using it in order to find the area. Um, with area, we know that it comes down to a shape that is given to us, and what we are doing, we're looking for the length and the width. And in order to find the area, we have to have these two important sides in order to solve it, of course. So, like I said, area depends on its length and the width, and establishing which is which. We know something how long it is, and we know how wide it is. So, if a shape was given, say for instance a rectangle. Y'all don't laugh at my rectangle. You have your first side. Your shortest side can be, let's say, we're gonna give this side a value of, let's say, 33 centimeters. And we'll give this value up here, let's say 67 centimeters. And usually when you're finding the area, you're going to have some type of unit of measurement. That happens all the time, unless you have to convert to a different one. But my strategy that I use for multiplying in general that can be applied to this is that what I do is I multiply by place value. So what I do first is that I look at both of my numbers and I go ahead and I establish my length and I establish my width. Now, the formula says L times W, but what I do, I would take my bigger number, which would be the 67, and then I take the lowest number, which is the 33. And now I have 67 times 33. But to help me visually see it better and understand how to get the answer more efficiently, I look at the place values, and that's how I multiply. So I say 67 times 3. Because there is no more 33. 33 doesn't exist anymore. All now we have is 67 times 3. So 7 times 3 is 21. You carry your 2. 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 plus 2 is 20. So this right here, this isn't your answer. This is your first answer that you'll need. Next, you move to the next place value, which is the 10th place. And now 33 isn't 33 anymore. It's just 30. So now you have 67 times 30. But a child would say, well, how can we go from 1 digit to 2 digits? Technically, the 67 is a 1-digit number because anything times 0 is 0. So what I'll do, drop that 0 down. Don't have to worry about the rest. It's going to be 0. Now what I do is 67 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. You carry your 2. Excuse me. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20. So now I take both of these numbers and I add them. Put the highest one first. One, two. And then that will be my answer. And then all to check it is I plug the same pairs of numbers, the 67 times the 33, into a calculator, see what it gives. If it gives me 2,121, then I will check it off of whatever the answer is supposed to be. If the answer matches up, you check it off and you keep it going. This is a step that I use because, like I said, I'm a visual learner and I have to break everything down. And then, like, if a student messes up, they can go backwards to each step to look at where they might have multiplied wrong or added wrong. So I hope you all enjoy. Thank you.